Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. We're watching everything grow. July, monsoon season. Everything's green. All that blood and bone meal and ash. Look at that beautiful Aztec corn coming up on the right side there. Looking good.
So we're happy. Look down the line there. And then of course we have our magic zinnia. Let's get a close-up of that. Very pretty. And then some more coming. And some more coming. And some more. Alright, and the coleus. Well, just a quick one to show you that July is garden time.
This must be a sunflower cross. I had some oil sunflowers in there, and that just exploded. Anyways, bachelor buttons. Dianthus, one of my favorites. Oh, little morning glory there. And then, of course, some pollen from our blue corn. And some little females that it wants to tag. And then back to the top. There it is. Everything's exploding. I got a rooftop of winter squash. Beautiful sunflowers out front. Oh, there's a 12-footer there. 8-foot marshmallow from Maine. And everything else looking good. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.